How's your hotel experience with our last video? I was giving out a guide on how you can make your hotel experience to be a great one, especially when you are traveling either alone or with someone special, or it can in professional or business day. You should want to get wonderful experience.
Let's start with your different experience.
In this video, I will guide you on how you can request for your essentials and make sure the housekeeper or concierge are able to understand what you need. Not only that you may be possible that you will get a VIP treatment. Okay, come with me. Let's go. Sometimes you just need some towels or other stuff, but for some reason, it's just really difficult to rely on what you need. Okay, let's start with this. 浴巾 towel. For example, 请帮我换浴巾. Please change my bath towel. 洗漱用品 toiletries. 牙膏 toothpaste. 牙刷
洗面奶
toothbrush.
Facial cleanser.
洗发水 shampoo.
沐浴露 Shower gel.
Example, 你好，请给我一套洗漱用品。May I have a set of toiletries? And of course, you may want to find some other places to go once you are backing into your hotel. You wanted to take a tour and find the interesting places to go inside the hotel. Let me introduce to you some of the places that you can also ask so that they can direct on how to go. Most of hotels usually have nice breakfast in the morning. So let's start with this. 餐厅 restaurant. 咖啡厅 coffee shop or cafe. 休闲区 leisure area. 酒吧 bar. So how is it? Can you feel that you can use this when you are at the hotel? Please let us know your comment below, and I hope you will like our videos. If this video gives your value, give us thumbs up and let us know your comment below about this video, or let us know if you have any suggestive topics for our upcoming videos we can create for you. And if you know anyone that can benefit from this video, please share our videos to them. We would want to help and reach more students and help them with their Chinese learning journey. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, hit the subscriber bell button below, because we are going to uploading videos every week so that we can help you on your Chinese learning goal. 我们下个视频见. See you in our next videos. 拜拜。